This is how to trade stickers on Monopoly Go. And so let's go for it quickly. We go and open Monopoly Go app over here, which is our game for today. And we're going to wait a few seconds until the loading screen gets to 100%. And so we can see the game opening, as you can see over here. And so whenever you're here in this game, we're going to hit the album over here, which is next to friends. It's between Go and friends. We click on album. And so here we have multiple options of these stickers. So of course I don't have a lot of stickers, so I'm gonna pick up, for example, this one, which is boy band, and I click on it. And so here I have this only one, which is jam packed. I can click on it, but there's nothing to do about it. But for the other stickers, for example, if I click over here, as you can see here, do you need the sticker? Try your luck and ask around for help. So we can choose friends or group, and this is a method to trade stickers. So, and by the way, to trade stickers, you must have friends on your account of Monopoly Go. And that's all in today's video. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel.